Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix limited network connectivity Wi-Fi PC Windows 11. We are going to open the command prompt console as administrators. Click on Yes to access. Now delete the current network profile using the on-screen command. Enter the profile name, press Enter. Now clear the cache. Use the command ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. Finally, reset the WinSock catalog. Run netch WinSock reset. To complete the process and correct the error, reboot the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.